Jep my mense. Happy Heritage Day vir almal daar buite. Hoop julle het julle braai geniet. As for me and my family, ons gaan Golden Dish doen. Are you even South African if you haven't had a Gatsby? And you must have it with a Cabana juice. Or so my dad says. Can we give this combo a try? Yay, hier gaat ons plein toe. Kom Gatsie, kom. But first, before the Gatsby, you must have a samosa. Sorry driver for eating in your van. Chicken and jalapeno to be exact. Hy's lekker. Ooh, let's try this Cabana juice. Van papa kan mos breek van hom. It's giving 2 liter milk. Gemixed met pineapple, but it's baie lekker. And now for the man of the hour, the masala steak Gatsby. Cut in 4 and I like the middle part. Which part do you like? Ooh, Golden Dish, jou eyster. Hy broer soos nog. This is definitely the best Gatsby I've had. What's the best Gatsby you've had? Shabalabas!